Hey group, thanks for coming back over here. We're going to take the Beam Bright plastic and vinyl restorer. Guys, the professional formula we have that has emulsions and the silicones, it's hydrophobic, it restores, protects against even the harshest of elements. We created this for you, the car lover, and also, guys, this works on barbecue grills, wrought iron. It will help restore and refurbish an item, plastic, rubber, vinyl, even metal, wrought iron, metal, and it'll bring it back. But hey, what about if you're going to be selling your car? And what's the first thing that someone does? They want to look under the hood. Well, I've got my Jaguar over here. I'm not selling it, but we want to look at the plastic restorer and see what it does on the manifold. And we're just going to... You get the application over here too. The applicator comes with the package. You can get this on Amazon, by the way. We want to shake it up good. And we are, gosh, I got a line down over there to show the before and after effect. And guys, all we're doing is putting a little dab on this thing. It doesn't require that much. So, but we want to restore this so the engine looks nice. It's protected underneath against the elements. Of course, water and moisture is going to get under here, and this will repel moisture, and it's because of the hydrophobic properties on it. Let's see what happens. Let's just rub that in there, and I can tell already what this is doing right now. Folks, this is night and day right now what's going on. You can see the debris, and I even cleaned this first too. But this is just the protective cover to make the car look nice, right? You put a lot of money into a car, might as well keep it looking nice. And folks, just so you know, there's no residue on this thing. Comes out clean. We call this the one swipe wipe. There's really nothing, no residue on there. And boy, look at that. I can just look at the difference right off the bat. If you can't see that, let me do a close-up over here. And you can see the before and after effects on that. That's pretty cool. Very neat. So there's the before and after. As you can see, I think that's pretty neat what we're doing over here. Hey guys, just make the car clean. You know, we're going to do this on the plastic over here and keep that nice all over the place. That really works. Beam Bright plastic and vinyl restore on Amazon. It's got a nice orange scent to it too.